Kia Optima K5 install for Convex Z series, 2GB RAM, 16GB storage, 9-inch Android GPS big screen player, T3 version with OEM good fitting casing, IPS screen, and OEM Canbus socket plug and play. Kia K5 Optima must use Canbus Connect original setting. Let me show you for reverse. Music, radio, steering control.
At your workplace, avoid skin-to-skin greetings, and if you can, wear a mask to protect yourself and your colleagues. Don't forget to continue to sanitize or wash your hands frequently as well. Let's look at...
Okay, select the frequency you want. Long press to save it. Setting, network internet, turn on Wi-Fi, connect phone hotspot for internet. About car device, T3 version, 2GB RAM, 16GB storage. DSP equalizer, 14 band. Preset channel. Or you can do it yourself. Car info. After connect Canbus is showing for the car info. Car setting. Handbrake turn off. General setting common. Handbrake off. PIP function turn on. Navigation sound missing. A preset app. System setting. Factory setting. A password 1617. Can type. So do a Canbus setting. Select for Kia K5 2016 onward and save. Change your boot logo setting. A file manager. 9-inch Android big screen. No SD card, no DVD. It's got a 2 USB slot. USB extension we put in the drawer. So another USB is connected for the USB DVR. It's got a SD card slot here. Okay, another USB is connected to the USB DVR. Will hidden put inside. Recorder. Steering control setting. For Kia K5, the steering control is auto setting by Canbus. A Bluetooth pairing with your phone Bluetooth. Click for the BT music to share your phone music to car player. Play Store download app. So this is Kia K5 9-inch Android GPS player, IPS screen, a speed screen function. I have to turn on speed screen. Turn off speed screen and picture in picture. Play video. After play video apps, press the home button for picture in picture. Kia K5 OEM casing and OEM Canbus socket plug and play. Installed by 1bis. Video by Andy. Thank you.